Good Friday, everyone. Looking at our weather map for today, we see lots of showers across the eastern portion of the U.S. thanks to a cold front moving across the country. Nothing severe, hardly even a rumble of thunder to be found, but lots of showers being produced by this front, and those stretch back around the Great Lakes region. If you look to our west, you see rain-free conditions from West Tennessee all the way back to the Pacific Northwest, so that should give you a bit of a preview of what's to come for us. That's sunshine. So after we get through to this morning's rain, I think we'll see some sunshine by this afternoon and evening. But we got to get through these rain showers this morning. 50% chance for those. Highs only around 70. Southwest winds switching to northwest winds at around 10 miles per hour. Overnight lows tonight around 40. Some of you all may be in the upper 30s by tomorrow morning. And then for Sunday, mostly sunny. Northwest winds, though, 10 to 15. Gusting to 20. So that's going to have a little bit of a bite to it because it takes us a minute to get acclimated for these changing seasons. At least I'm speaking from, maybe I'm just speaking for myself, but overnight frost Saturday night for sure. By Sunday morning, I think a lot of us are going to wake up to a very white coating of frost, lows in the low 30s. That's after afternoon highs on Saturday only in the mid 50s. Now Sunday we get a little bit warmer, highs in the mid to upper 50s, and some patchy frost Sunday night is certainly possible as lows fall in the mid to upper 30s. Then Monday, a windy day again. Southwest winds though this time 10 to 15, gust to 25, highs in the low 60s, and then Tuesday mostly sunny, highs in the low 60s. Just be careful if you're out and about burning anything because things will be getting drier in the coming days. This rainfall that we're getting, if you're getting the rain today, will stay under 1/4 of an inch. That's just not going to make much of a difference. That's barely enough to settle the dust. So just be mindful that it is getting dry around here. The drought monitor updated. That's in the blog this morning. And conditions continue to get drier and drier across the state. On this day in 1836, a second early season snowstorm produced 11 inches of snow at Wilkes-Barre, Pennsylvania, and 26 inches at Auburn, New York. All the mountains in the northeastern U.S. were whitened with snow. That was a cold October, right? 1990, the Ulysses spacecraft launches on a mission to study the sun. It's the first spacecraft to orbit the sun around its poles. Normally we study the planets or the sun by going around the equator region, the equatorial regions, but this was a different mission in that it orbited around the poles. You folks have a wonderful Friday and keep looking up. The weather is still looking good for Friday at the Crossroads this evening, so you should head out there if you get a chance. It's the Fall Festival, I think they're calling it, Friday at the Crossroads. And then we have the Allard Pumpkin Festival tomorrow in Fentress County. So where they do the giant pumpkin weigh-offs and all that good stuff. I hope to be there, set up with the Bigfoot Festival. Depends on how my cold gets. So, but anyway, if you're there, look for me, and we'll see if we see each other. But otherwise, you folks have a wonderful day. Keep looking up for more weather information. Keep reading along in the blog, meteorologistmark.com.